When we saw Saffron Hill and we looked at the space in the ground floor, the mezzanine and the lower ground, we were genuinely excited. It opened up all these possibilities. So the idea of the Skills Hub was to create an area that facilitated knowledge sharing, whether that's formal conferences or CPD courses or training, or whether it's merely sitting next to somebody that you've not met before, exchanging ideas, exchanging contacts, passing knowledge on, learning. So it was about creating that unique opportunity for the engineers of the future who are really driving that creativity forward to meet and share knowledge. What we are looking at creating on the ground floor, a training suite which we can use for our training courses, but it can be used for CPD courses, it can be used for any of our networks who want to hold their meetings. So that's our formal training, formal meeting area. We have a beautiful mezzanine, lots of lovely natural daylight, and what we want to create there is our members hub. So you could be sitting here, so let's say I'm a mid-career engineer. On this side, I've got the past president, and they've been running a seriously large global engineering practice. On the other side, I've got a young engineer who's just starting their career. I mean, how fabulous. So the idea that I can learn, I can pay it forward, and it's an opportunity for members to come in, to have meetings, to have some quietish time, to recharge, literally. Technology plug in, leave your suitcase. Let's say you've got a meeting in the evening, you've come down from the north, you've flown in from Hong Kong, leave your suitcase, have some work, have some quiet place that you can actually call your own. And finally, in the lower ground floor, we are converting that space into a 110-seat theatre, which is for our conferences, for our own AGMs. So those fabulous 3 spaces that will offer our members, our networks, our regions, our societies, our special interest groups, but also our industry, a space to meet, create and learn in any way that they want to do. This is a unique opportunity for our community to pay it forward. This is a unique opportunity for our community to get involved in the CIBSE headquarters that will create a space that really is setting the pace of change around the world and is really setting the standards and creating the opportunity for engineers to meet and share ideas. So we would love people to get involved. Thank you.